Are you looking for a vacuum sealer that's simple and easy to use? We're gonna test this one out and see if it's the perfect one for you. Let's check it out. What's up, Buzz? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. I'm your host, Rodney, and as always, we got another product to review. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting the channel. I really do appreciate it. And as always, Buzz, with the links to all these products, it will be down in the description below. You guys can go down there, click it, see the current price, and see other people's reviews. And when you click the link, I do get a little small commission, and it does help the channel out. It helps me get more products to review in the future. So let's get to this product right here. All right, Buzz, right here we got the Blusmart vacuum sealer. We're about to unbox this and see how it is, see if it's simple and easy to use. And we're gonna try it out with a couple of things, like some meat, some frozen like fruits, and like some trail mix or something. So let's test this thing out. And today I'm gonna be having my wife on with me. All right, Buzz, this is my wife, Iconic.
Hi, I'm Iconic.
And she's the reason why we have this thing. She was like, we need a vacuum sealer. Let's get that vacuum sealer. So I was like, since you want it so bad, you can help me review it. So let's test it out. So when you get in the box, let's pop it open. Let's see what you get. You get some bags.
Some bags.
You get the tube for the vacuum. Your power cord. Oh, some more bags.
Ooh, I love more bags.
And your vacuum sealer. Boom, and there it goes. So the vacuum sealer is really nice. It's really light. Open up, check it out. There you guys go. And just a couple buttons on there. Doesn't look too technical and crazy. Not heavy at all. Really like it. There goes your power cords in the back right here. It's for your power plug. And that is about it. Nothing else on it. Simple, easy. So what we notice right here already is you have push buttons on the ends. So you push it down to lock it up. Lock it in. As you see, they're locked in right there. And locked in. And on the sides to release, so you guys want to do like I was about to do until Iconic said something. I was about to pull it apart.
He's about to break it.
But all you do is push it in right there. Boom. And then that's how you can open it. So open and then push into, bam, lock in. And push to open each side. All right. All right, bud, so we just found out that this is for if you vacuum seal containers right here. So,
Canisters.
Canisters, containers.
Canisters.
Canisters, containers. All right, bud, so the first button we have on here is the food button. And with this button, you can choose either moist or dry food. And you just click that and it'll let you know which one you're selecting. Then we got the seal button. The seal button, it doesn't matter if the bag is a vacuum bag or not. You can put it in there and it'll still do the seal. So right here we got the vacuum and seal. This is like the most used function on here. This will do the vacuum and then still seal the bag for you. So this is basically the reason why you got this, is that button right there. So right here in the last one we have the stop and pulse setting. So this one, of course, stop, you can stop everything you're doing. And then the pulse setting, you hold it down to activate the pulse setting, and you can manually put in how much pressure you want on your sealing of whatever whatever item you're sealing.
So it comes with a roll of bags that you have to use the cutter to cut like a certain length, whatever you need. And it also has like 10 pre-cut bags.
And we're about to fill these up with some food and try it out, buds. Let's do it. So from here on out, Iconic's gonna be demonstrating how this thing works, and she's gonna be using it for the first time and trying out, and I'm gonna get some shots for it. So first, Iconic is gonna use the bag cutter one right here. She's gonna cut this bag and then use this. We're not gonna use the pre-made sealer ones until the next few things we do. We're gonna use this first and demonstrate how this works. There goes Iconic on the bag cutting. Simple, easy. Nice. And Iconic was right, we're gonna have to seal both sides.
I know, I'm always right.
All right, so Iconic has it in there and she's gonna push it close. You gotta make sure you hear the clicks when you push these close. 1.
Ooh.
2. So now we're gonna tighten up the other end. We're gonna click seal. And now it lights up like that. can open the ends by pressing the sides. And there we go. It is sealed. Just that quick little second, and that's all it took to seal it.
So instead of putting it all over here in this drop right here, you can pull it down a bit, since the sealer is this part right here, the black strip. And be careful not to touch it because it's hot. So the machine said we had to wait 1 minute after using it, and it's already been a minute, so let's try and vacuum seal these blueberries. So now that the lights are all turned off, it means that it's done and we are ready to take it out. And there you go, buds. Our blueberries are vacuum sealed. Just have to cut the edges off to make it look prettier.
All right, buds, so that's the finished product right there. That's the frozen blueberries. Now we're gonna put them back in the freezer. You'll save so much more space with this instead of having that big, ugly, bulky bag. That one, you know, so this is way better, way thinner. And now we're gonna try, we'll just do like some almonds or something really small. All right, bud, so next we're gonna do some trail mix. We're not gonna do the whole bag. We'll do like a quick travel size, like a lunch size or a school size. And we'll do that and check it out. So we got a small little travel size bag, and we're gonna do this one. We're also gonna do at the end, like pin a little slit in it so it'll be easy to open up, like if we took it to work or school or something. All right, and when you're doing just one side, just the bag, you're just doing seal only. And it'll take one quick second. And it'll come on and shape. And that's it, and it'll be done. Just click stop just in case. And then you can open it up and it'll be sealed. And there you go, perfect sealing. Add a little bit. About a good little amount. So on this one, we're gonna move it up a little bit just so it's not right on the edge like this one is. So we can cut a little slit so you can just pull it open like you know, the store, like the bags at the store. So we sealed this one, as you guys can see, it's ready to go, travel. But you can also cut this bag in half and have two different portions like that, you know, cut it in half and then seal both ends right there. We didn't vacuum seal this one, we just sealed it. So yeah. So Iconic's gonna cut it in half. And then we're gonna vacuum seal or seal the trail mix part to make a smaller bag. And there you go, buds. You just have your small little bag of trail mix, just like at the store. And there we go, just a little slit right there. And ready to be pulled off and eaten whenever. All right, bud, so now that we finished that, now we're gonna do the chicken, and we're gonna use a pre-made bag, and we gotta make sure that you don't forget to press moist, press the food button and click moist if you like rinsed off your chicken or whatever. So we're gonna do that and let's test it out. Iconic is back with the chicken, and we have the chicken breast in the bag. This is the size of the pre-made bags that are already made for you, the 10 that you get. We fit 3 chicken breasts in here, and now we're about to seal it. Don't forget to press moist on here, and let's try it out. All right, bud, so since the chicken is moist, we made sure we didn't forget to click moist. So we hit that, and it's on, it's ready to go. Now we're gonna vac and seal and test it out. And there it goes. Slowly sealing everything. All right, bud, so this is how the chicken came out. And as you see, these pre-made ones, they come with the little slit already right there. We didn't pay no mind to it. I don't think we did. I don't know, anyway. But yeah, so this is where our chicken came out. It did vacuum everything around it, you see there. So because it's moist, I think it didn't put too much pressure, so it won't smush it and make it all, you know, grounded chicken. So there it goes, and it's ready to get put in the freezer. All right, bud, so there you go. That is the Blusmart vacuum sealer. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And as always, Buzz, the link will be down in the description below so you guys can check that out. And thank you to Iconic for demonstrating this product for us in the video and being my tester so I can record it being used. And as always, Buzz, if there's a product that I like, or now if there's a product that I'm checking out, I'll tell you guys about it so you won't miss out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. And, oh, ow.